Hello, friends. It's that time of morning where there are some great opportunities for a day trade using the Trade Ideas races. What we've got over here on the right, once again, are basically the top 10 runners from this morning. So after about an hour and a half of the market, I go through, I look at these names, and one of these names here did catch my eye. We've got some names like Ape, of course, Bed Bath & Beyond, HCSC, but this one down here, BBAI, caught my eye. The daily chart had a nice move higher, fell back into its 10-day moving average, and now we've got a gap up again today. So if you're a new trader, I'm going to suggest that you take our Brokerage Plus simulated trading and use these types of scenarios each day to practice real live trading. So what I will do is I'll come in here, I'll click the buy button, I'll go ahead and just grab a buy right there at the current price. I'll lower my stop down below the 10 SMA, and any moment now we should be getting a simulated fill on the Trade Ideas Brokerage Plus simulator. The idea here is to hold on to this trade as it came in and filled the gap, and maybe after an hour or two we'll come back and we'll see the price much higher. But right now, let's just see if we can get a fill. Okay, there's our fill at $2.77. We're going to use this $2.65 area as our stop. Again, it's the 10 SMA coming up from behind. So let's let this trade marinate and see if we can get a move back up near highs and call that a successful day trade. Again, we're just using the Trade Ideas simulator to figure out what works, and when real money comes into play, you'll have a pretty good idea of a game plan. Okay, part two, as you can see, this trade is working. We are back close to highs. Nice entry point down here. What I'm going to quickly do is raise my stop using the chart to raise my stop to break even. And I'm going to go ahead, I'm going to use the sell half button right here. So by pressing that button, I'm going to take half off right now. Boom. And here comes the half order. I got to select this, select the stock first, click the half. You can see the sell tag just took half off. We took half profit. There's no way we're going to lose on this trade anymore. Again, this is a simulated trade, but the point being is showing you guys how to use the race watch list in real time to find the action. All right, I'm going to let the second half of this trade work, but I think you got the idea. This was a very good setup. There you go. Enjoy. And here we go. Here's the final trade of BBAI. Going to go ahead and just highlight it and click flatten. And you'll see the trade has disappeared. What a wonderful simulated trade. These are the types of things that you can use the Trade Ideas Brokerage Plus simulator to gain confidence and learn a method. We'll try again to give you more of these videos. Have a good day. If you're not using Trade Ideas, you should be.